Hello, second graders. We are moving ahead in our math book. We're going to skip a bunch of lessons and we're going to start topic 14, lesson 1 today. It is on page 803. And we're going to start today with the solve and share. And after today's lesson, you'll be able to say, I can measure the lengths of objects, then make a line plot to organize the data. Solve and share. Find 4 objects that are each shorter than 9 inches. Measure the length of each object to the nearest inch. Record the measurements in the table, then plot the data on the number line. Which object is longest, which is shortest? So I've got my ruler here, and I'm looking here on the side that says inches, and I have to look at 9 inches right here. And I'm going to try to find 4 things. Actually, I already went ahead and found 4 things that are shorter than 9 inches. So I'm going to show you what they are, and I'm going to show you how I measured them. The first was a birthday card. Okay, a birthday card. So what I do is I put one end right here on this top line. That is where the 0 would be. This ruler doesn't have a 0. And then it goes down. It's like 2 little lines after the 7. So I'm going to say it's 7 inches. So on my table here, I'm going to write birthday card, and the length is 7 inches. Okay, my second item is this scissors, and when I put one end of the scissors where the 0 is, and I look down, oh, this is also 7 inches. It's exactly 7 inches. So scissors, and again 7 inches. My third item is this little bottle of hand lotion, and so let's measure it. Put one end by the 0, and then look to the other end. It is just a little bit after the 4, so 4 inches. Hand lotion, and it is 4 inches. All right, and my last item is this Sharpie. And when I put one end right by the 0, if I look down to the other end, it is, it looks like it's exactly at the 5.5. So remember, if it's 5.5, if it's at the half or further closer to the next number, you round up. So I'm going to say it's 6 inches because we're measuring to the nearest inch. Okay, so Sharpie is 6 inches. All right, now I'm going to take this data and I'm going to put it on my number line. I thought it was called a line plot. Number line. Okay, so I'm going to use my pen, and I'm going to draw X's. Okay, so the birthday card was 7 inches, so I'm going to put an X right here above 7 inches. That's the birthday card. Then the scissors is 7 inches. The hand lotion is 4, and the Sharpie is 6. Okay, so now that I have this all organized, I can see that the shortest is 4. With only 4 items here in this chart, it was probably easy to look and say 4. But sometimes you might have data that you have like long lists of data. And then if you organize it in this way, it's easier to look and say, what's the least? You look for the first number that has an X above it, a 4. And what is the longest? 7. I had 2 items that were 7 inches. You can copy mine, or if you want to do this on your own and you want to go find 4 items that are less than 9 inches, you can do it that way too. And then we'll move on to the next page.